go CSR.
Let's race it.
Race, baby.
Intermediate stop. Collaborate and listen. 555 back with a brand new season.
Chocolate Green Prix secured first place, logged 60 miles at this race.
It'll never stop.
Yo, I know.
Turn on the brake light and it will glow.
Shannon's stole first place like a vandal. Went 24 miles, got the trophy by the handle.
Race!
Back to Oxford so our car could zoom. Drove 59 miles, first place again, boom.
Indian Trail was deadly, came in second place, but for us that's a felony.
Love it or leave it. Moving on to race 5, staying fast 2, we hit the bullseye.
Scored a perfect 100, took home first. 57 miles, that quenched our thirst.
And if there was a problem, our pit crew will solve it. Check out our F24 when my team revolves it.
Cougars, race, baby. Cougars, race, baby. Cougars!
Now Columbus Grand Prix was jumping. First place prize locked in, electric motor was pumping.
Quick to the finish line, 64 miles, no faking. Cooking other teams like a pound of bacon, smoking them. Our car's looking nimble. When other teams see us, they start to tremble.
At Diverse Power Grand Prix, we were on a roll. First place again, meeting all those goals. Our toughest challenge yet, but we came out on top. 57 miles with quick pit stop.
Kept on pursuing to our 8th race. Toyota Classic, yet another first place. Drove 65 miles, not that bad. Yo, so we continued to I-20 West.
Talladega Superspeedway!
Temperature was hot. Our sponsors looking for a score. National champions driving an F24. Bumper to bumper, the track is packed. Trying to get away without talking smack.
Drew Sparks on the scene. You know what I mean? Cougar Strong Racing is the #1 team.
Yo man, let's get out of here. Word to your mother.